morning, dear students. In the last class we have learned about heredity. What do you mean by heredity? The transmission of characters from one generation to another generation. And we also studied about chromosomes and then genes, DNA, etc. And we studied about that the genes are working pairs. So it is usually represented by using letters. And what are genotype and what is phenotype? Phenotype is the trait. What do you mean by phenotype? Phenotype is the trait of an organism or the behavior or the appearance of an organism. It is called a phenotype. The example is tall. It is a phenotype. And the color of hair, that is black, brown, etc. These are phenotypes. And height is a phenotype. You got it. And the next one is that genotype. Genotype means the genetic description of the trait. The genetic description of the trait. And the genes are working pairs. So we have to express the trait by using two letters. You got it. And the example is that tall. Tall is a phenotype, and how can we express this? That is capital T or capital T, small t. Isn't it? But if any dominant gene is there, present there, that character is visible. Got it? If any dominant gene. Here the dominant gene is capital T. If the capital T is present here, what is the phenotype? That is the tall. But the capital T and small t are the different forms of the same gene. Different form of the same gene. You got it? But the recessive gene, if it is, the recessive genes are usually expressed by using small letters. But the capital T, small t and small t, this is a recessive trait. What is the recessive trait? That is dwarf. But the recessive traits are expressed having the same type of gene. You got it? That is the small letters. We have to express the recessive trait by using small letters. That is, the genes are working pairs. So how many letters are there? Two letters are there. But the tall or the dominant trait is expressed whether it have a dominant gene. Here the dominant gene is expressed by using capital letter, that is small t. You got it? But you know, this is about the genotype and phenotype. And the next one is that what we mean by first filial generation or F1 generation. When two parents cross to produce an offspring or a small progeny, two words are used there, progeny or offspring. Progeny or offspring. When two parents are crossed to produce a progeny or offspring, that progeny is known as first filial generation or F1 generation. You got it? When two parents cross to produce a progeny or offspring, that progeny or offspring is known as F1 generation or first filial generation. F1 generation or first filial generation. Got it? And what do you mean by F2 generation? The F2 generation is that when F1 generation cross among themselves. When F1 generation cross among themselves, then the F2 generation can be produced. When the members of the F1 generation cross and to produce a new offspring, that is known as F2 generation or second filial generation. It is usually represented by using the letter F2. Got it? When the first generation and second generation or first filial generation and second filial generation. And another one example like the father and mother. When the father and mother they crossbred and produce the offspring, that is known as F1 generation. Father and mother, when they cross and produce the offspring or progeny, it is known as F1 generation. You got it? And these progeny cross and produce, what happened? The F2 generations are produced. The F2 generation or the grandchildren are the F2 generation. Got it? Grandchildren are the F2 generation. In that way, so this is the F1 generation and the grandchildren are the F2 generation. Got it? And the next term is that who discovered or who studied the pattern of inheritance first. So, the transmission of trait or characteristic pass from one or the transmission of genetically controlled characteristic pass from one generation to another, that is known as inheritance. What do you mean by inheritance? What is inheritance? The transmission of genetically controlled characters. Genetically controlled characters or characters pass from one generation to another generation, that is known as inheritance. So, the study of inheritance was first done by Gregor John Mendel. So, the Gregor John Mendel, he was a scientist and he conducted the experiment in pea plants. The pea plants are cultivated in his garden and the scientific name of pea plants are Physarum sativa. What is the scientific name of pea plant? That is Physarum sativa. Got it? So, why he selected pea plants? Because the pea plants have several clear-cut differences or clear-cut characteristics are there. It has several contrasting characters are there. For the tallness, darkness, round seed, wrinkled seed, and the color of that seeds and the color of flowers, all these are visible in that pea plants. So, he selected pea plants and he cultivated these pea plants in his garden. Okay, and he conducted several experiments. First, he conducted monohybrid cross, and the second one is that dihybrid cross. But the monohybrid cross means the cross having one pair of trait, that is one trait. For example, tallness and darkness. The parents having one character, that is tallness or darkness, and he allowed them to crossbreed and produce the new one. Such a type of cross is known as monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross. But the cross between two pair of characteristic or trait, that is known as dihybrid cross. You got it? But the dihybrid cross, one example is that the seeds, round green seeds. Example, round green seeds. Round green seeds cross with the wrinkled yellow seeds. Wrinkled yellow seeds. Can you say which are the two traits are there? Round is one trait and green is another trait. You got it? But this type of cross is called dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross. For the monohybrid cross is the crossing between the parents having one trait. That is, one example is that tallness, tall and dark. Tall and dark. Here only having one characteristics. But the dihybrid cross having two pair of characteristics. The example is that round green seeds and wrinkled yellow seeds. You got it? But today we have learned about that what is inheritance, the transmission of genetically controlled characteristics, that is from one generation to the next, that is known as inheritance. Who was first studying the inheritance? That is Gregor John Mendel. He was a scientist. Which plant he selected? That is pea plant. What is the scientific name of pea plant? That is Physarum sativa. Why he selected pea plants? Because it has several contrasting characters and it is available very easily, isn't it? And it is a self-pollinating plant. These are the three reasons why he selected pea plants. And what do you mean by first filial generation and second filial generation? How the trait is expressed? It is expressed by using letters. How many letters are used? Only 2 letters. A pair of letters are used for expressing a trait or characteristics. Students, I hope you understand very well. Okay, thank you.